Sortio AI is one of the most exciting new AI software tools to hit the market. If you're looking for the latest in AI to optimize your work, then this Sortio AI review is exactly what you need. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software, so keep watching. By the end, you'll know exactly how Sortio can elevate your workflow, whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or business owner. And don't forget, you can try Sortio AI completely free from the first link below. Let's dive into it. First things first, Sortio AI's most unique selling point is its ability to automate complex workflows. Imagine combining your digital marketing, sales funnels, and data-driven tasks into one seamless system. That's exactly what Sortio does. It saves you hours of manual work by automating data sorting and analysis. Whether you're organizing client info or optimizing your marketing strategy, Sortio simplifies the process, and that's huge for anyone trying to stay ahead in business today. What's even more impressive is how user-friendly Sortio is. Unlike many AI tools that have steep learning curves, Sortio is designed to be intuitive. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, you can hit the ground running. No complicated setup, you can start using it almost immediately, which is a massive advantage for busy professionals. Next up, the integration options. Sortio seamlessly integrates with all the major tools you already use, from Google Analytics to social media management platforms like Facebook and Instagram. This means you don't have to switch between different apps, saving you time and ensuring everything stays connected. The real power of AI comes when it works with your existing systems to streamline your workflow, and that's exactly what Sortio offers. Now, let's talk about the customization. This AI software isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tailor it to your needs, whether you're working with large datasets or smaller, more targeted projects. Sortio AI allows you to create customized reports, automate content creation, and even set specific triggers for your marketing campaigns. It adapts to your needs, not the other way around. But the real magic of Sortio lies in its predictive capabilities. It analyzes data to give you actionable insights on what's working and what's not, helping you make smarter decisions. Whether you're launching a new campaign or tweaking an existing one, Sortio's AI gives you a data-driven approach to marketing, which means you can stay ahead of the competition and save valuable resources. What's more, Sortio's AI is continually evolving. As it collects more data from your workflow, the software improves over time, offering even more accurate predictions and recommendations. That's the power of a smart AI that learns and adapts as you use it. Lastly, let's talk about security. In the age of digital marketing and data collection, protecting your customer information is paramount. Sortio takes data security seriously. It uses the latest encryption protocols, ensuring that your information remains safe and private. Now, I'm sure you're excited to see how this software can work for you, and the best part is you can try it completely free from the first link below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I found that Sortio AI stands out as one of the best options for streamlining your workflow, improving efficiency, and staying ahead of the competition. As always, I've listed some of my recommended AI tools in the description below, so be sure to check those out. You can start improving your digital marketing strategy today and see why AI is the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.